are in Hungary and in Budapest.
What's up with you
In this fountain. Hello vlog. It's very quiet, or it's very loud. We are in Hungary and in Budapest. Me and Melina are on a walking tour with my friend from Japan. So she's talking to them, but I wanted to say hello. I'm so excited to be here. I've been here literally for an hour and I love it so much. I also stayed in a hostel for the first time last night. Staying in it again. Very proud. Hello vlog, I'm here with Melina. Hi. We just finished our walking tour and we found out at the end of the tour that everyone on the tour was a part of a school group except for us. And it's kind of funny.
That's why Kay approached us, I think, because she was probably like, who are these girls?
Yeah. So now we're going to, I saw this tote that I want, so I'm gonna get this tote. And then we're going to meet Hannah and Celine at this restaurant for lunch. I'm excited, and yeah. Any words?
What?
Any words?
I'm speechless.
Okay. Ooh, Picasso. What is it? It's like, what's that saying that's like something about Picasso? I like it, Picasso. Have you seen that?
What is that?
I don't know. It's a thing.
Oh.
It's on the beach. Look at our food. Look at my friends. Look at my friends. Look at my friends. We're at circus. So we're at dinner at that Barju and Hannah and Celine, and our food is here. I'll show it to you. Goulash and starter.
We're going to Marrakesh. I'm not going again.
How was it?
Don't start with me.
Okay, how was it?
A lot of tomato.
How was it?
It was good. It was good. It reminded me of my Yaya's cooking.
Okay.
Aw, it's so cute. Oh, I didn't rate it.
It was good.
Is it video?
It is a video.
Oh.
Hey.
Hi.
I'm so excited. Hi.
Wow.
We're on the boat tour that we like made just on time. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Is this gonna like topple over? Look how luxe this boat is. This is so nice. For $10. For $10. Hello vlog, I've had a wonderful day. That's why I haven't been recording. So that's not very fun for you, but you'll just have to take my word for it. Melina,
What?
what would you rate your day out of 10?
11.
What would you rate your day out of 10, Max?
It's a 10. It's a good day. It's a solid.
I really like people who do not gatekeep their 10s. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're right. Some people are like, we need to save it.
Yeah, but I'm
I
like,
think today it's definitely an
it's
11.
It's not like that, dude. Like, you can have lots of 10s.
Yeah,
It's fine.
like 10.
Hello vlog. I left my vlog camera in Budapest with Hannah. Well, I left it in her room and she recovered it. So I'm going to see Kat this weekend and I have to vlog on my phone. It's just so sad because this is going to be like probably one of my favorite weekends of the trip, but we're gonna vlog on the phone and we're throwing it back to like 2013 and I'm really excited.
Gate previously advised. Thank you.
F935 to Helsinki.